This story is called Copycat. Copycat, written by Anne Harth. A boy stood in front of Daniel. Daniel lifted his right leg. The boy lifted his left leg. Copycat, said Daniel. Daniel raised his left arm. The boy raised his right arm. Copycat, said Daniel. Daniel stuck his tongue out at the boy. The boy stuck his tongue out at Daniel. Copycat, said Daniel. Daniel clapped his hands. The boy clapped his hands. Copycat, said Daniel. Daniel twirled in a circle. The boy twirled in a circle too. You are such a copycat, Daniel said. Daniel, Grandma called, are you playing in front of the mirror again? What does Daniel do first? Let's go back. Well, he's standing, and then he lifts his right leg. Who does Daniel call a copycat? That's right, it's his reflection. Who asked Daniel a question in the story? Daniel, Grandma called, are you playing in front of the mirror again? It was Grandma who asked him a question. What does Daniel not do in the story? Well, the story ended a little bit early, so we don't know if he answered as Grandma. Well, he didn't sit in front of the mirror, and he didn't do a handstand. I hope you like the story of Copycat. Bye.